Hello, welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And today I have a parcel that's come in and we're going to open it. I know exactly what I got in here because of course I ordered it. So let's see what I got. Let's see what it looks like, more or less. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Ooh, there's one side. There's the other. Okay, close this knife up. There we go. Alright, so let's see what's in here. I ordered this here, and I got a nice little note. Let's put the glasses on and see what's going on here. Thank you so much for your purchase, Keely. Alright, so you can tell it's really little. Little. Let's see. This is a little gapper. Kind of knew it when I bought it. I saw how little it was. But anyways, oh my goodness, look at this. This is just a little poopy. Well, look at him. Whoop. Let's see if we can get him standing. There we go. And he's just a little rubber dog. He's all jointed with his four legs there. He's jointed, and he's made by a company called Blue Ribbon. The Blue Ribbon Company. There we go. So he's going to need his nose painted, his mouth repainted, and his eyes repainted as well. I'm going to take all this off of him and repaint all that, and just give him a good cleaning while he, oh, and he still squeaks, everybody. So this is probably a little baby's toy, but I thought it looked cute with some of my smaller dolls, where I have the bigger dogs by Morley, I can't remember his name. But anyways, I have bigger ones like this that I'll go get one. Just hang on, just keep filming, Stephen. Alright, so here is this guy. So you can see this is for a much smaller, it can almost be his little pup friend, I guess you could say. But you can see how the size difference between them. But when I'm looking at this, it's going to be nice to accent some of my smaller dolls. That's what I wanted him for. So he's a nice size. He's got a nice friendly look to him. He's got a nice expression with one ear down, one ear up. So anyways, that's how you like them anyhow. So we get the smaller dolls. They'll look great. Another thing is I got a parcel in today from an aunt of mine who knows I'm into restoring dolls. And she sent me a box load of shoes. These are shoes for the Cabbage Patch. I couldn't believe that she sent these to me. I was like, oh my goodness, yes. Look at this. Very nice. And I got pairs, matching pairs. I don't think these are, but they're still cute all the same. You can't go wrong with those. Those are cute little shoes. But I got little pink striped ones here. And these are vintage too at that. So when I get into some of the Cabbage Patch or just dolls that are in need of shoes like this, even some of my monkeys can wear shoes like this. Very nice. So got a lot of nice stuff right there just to help me out with my shoes and everything. So I hope you enjoy this, and my new little addition to the rubber dog family there. Those little these type of rubber. I forget who made these. This guy here. It's on the tip of my tongue. Who made him? Moby, I think it is now. It's coming to me. Yeah, Mobley. So M-O-B-L-E-Y, Mobley. And this is the Blue Ribbon. So he's a cute little thing, though. I really am pleased with him. And anyways, got him for a nice little, tiny little price. He wasn't that expensive, but very cute all the same. There's his face looking up at you. Let's see if we can get it to look right up at you there. So anyways, you have a great day, and
thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.